Hi, this is Lee with Craftsman Direct, and we are approaching David's house. And I wanted to get a little video for David and show him, because we've done bunches of stuff over here. Let's see. There we go. Got the rail on the approach. See if we can get out and get a closer look. Okay. Got a post top on the right side. Left side's got a new lower post, and we got a footing in concrete. Firm. Going to take a quick trip around back because we've done some things to the deck as well. Ta-da! Obviously the new lumber is a little bit lighter in color. We've left an opportunity for the lawnmower to continue to be inserted under the deck. And lower deck looks good. Well, not lower deck, stair. Okay. Post cut out. And railing all around. Lattice tacked in. There we go. Okay. David would like to thank you for the opportunity to have Craftsman Direct over. And if you have any questions or problems, remember you got a 2-year warranty. Feel free to give us a call. Thanks.